Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. And to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Once it has, which it just happened, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time, and hold it till you see boot mode, like it is visible right now. From here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, then press volume down to confirm it. And this should take us to the no command Android, and there it is. And we need to get past this by holding power key and pressing volume up once. Now from the recovery mode, which we should be located in right now, you want to use volume keys to scroll down to wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Select yes, and you can see cache wipe complete. Reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot, so the device goes back to the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.